Hayley Hasselhoff was born in Los Angeles, California, on August 26, 1992. As of the year 2021, she is currently 29 years old and her zodiac sign is Virgo. Her well-known parents, David Hasselhoff, father, and Pamela Bach, mother, gave birth to her as the youngest sibling, mother. Her father, David, is a well-known American actress, musician, producer, television host, and businessman who holds the Guinness World Record for being the most-watched man on television. He is well known for his role on Baywatch, and her girlfriend, Pamela, is also an actress and a winner of the annual Bravo Otto Trophy. Hayley Hasselhoff began her acting career in 1999 as Tammy in 2 episodes of the television series Baywatch. In 2002, she starred in the family film More Than Puppy Love. In 2007, she debuted as a plus-size model. She got her first break in 2010 when she landed the role of Amber on ABC Family's original series Huge. Likewise, she was on the show for 10 seasons. She has also starred in the films The Hasselhoffs, Pair of Kings, and Top Models Curves. Similarly, she's been with Ford Models since 2014. She has also walked in the 2014 British Plus-Size Fashion Week and also became a spokesperson for Paris's Pulp Fashion Week. She also appeared on The X Factor, Celebrity in 2019. Furthermore, she recently made headlines as the first plus-size model to appear on the cover of Playboy Germany. Hayley Hasselhoff's professional career as a model and actress has earned her a decent living. Hayley's career began in 1999, and she has come a long way in her decade-long career, becoming an inspiration to plus-size models. She is also the daughter of millionaires, has a sizable net worth, which is believed to be about $6 million. Hayley Hasselhoff is reportedly engaged to Dominic Charles Farrell. Farrell is a photographer from the United States with whom she began dating in 2018. He's also taken to Instagram to express his love for Hayley on her birthday. Hayley Hasselhoff is a stunning woman in her late 20s with a natural plus-size body physique. She is 5 feet 7 inches tall and weighs about 83 kilograms. She has a light skin tone, brunette locks, and green eyes.